Hey guys, Anthony here with a review today on the Fenix LD02 100 lumen flashlight. The Fenix LD02 comes with the box that you see here. It comes with a spare O-ring that you see here. It came with a little keychain light that you see here. Comes with the directions, the warranty card, and then there's a little card in there in the box showing you some different lights that Fenix has come out with, other flashlights. Give you a couple close-ups of this light. Again, this is the single AAA battery flashlight. We're continuing with our reviews from the last one that we did. Give you some close-ups of this light that comes in just over 3 inches in length and empty without a battery, 0.56 ounces and 0.59 inches in diameter. I'm doing this video outside and the little O-ring just blew. There it is. That's the LD02 labeling there. I'll go over some of the features of it, but I just wanted to give you guys just a little walk around of the unit. It does come with a removable belt clip that you see here. This is my everyday carry for the last couple of weeks. I like it a lot. Some days I carry it clipped on my pocket, and other days I just put it in my pocket. Since it's so light and you barely know it's there, you could just drop it inside your pocket. Sometimes the clip, when it's clipped in your pocket, gets in the way, for me anyway. But you could have this light in your pocket as well. So again, the theory behind my thinking is switching to AA and AAA battery lights. They're plentiful. Those batteries are available. More than likely in an SHTF you will be able to secure those types of batteries. And now with all the good Eneloop and other rechargeable batteries out there and rechargers, you can buy a set of rechargeables and keep these lights going indefinitely as long as you can recharge them. So that's a quick look at the this light. Again, it comes with a AAA battery that's included. I have that battery in the light since it came with it. Just a regular alkaline battery. The light does use nickel metal hydride batteries as well. So again, you just put the battery in the front cap there, and that's it. So let's come back with some stats on this. Okay, the Fenix LD02 100 lumens in high mode with a 49-yard range. I went over the specs on it already. It's under 3 inches. You can put it on a keychain if you want. It does have a little slot on the tip. It has an LED light bulb, a Cree XP-E2 LED with a lifespan of 50,000 hours. It's got 3 modes of operation: a high or 100 lumen mode, a mid mode for 25 lumens, and a low mode for 8 lumens. And they'll run about 30 to 45 minutes in the high mode, 4 hours and 15 minutes in the medium mode, and 14 hours and 30 minutes in the low mode. It's a digitally regulated output, maintains constant brightness. I'll snap it on here so you can see. I do have some video in this video of it in the dark. It's got a broad beam lens that provides soft, even beam for close-up illumination. Again, we're doing it in the daylight, so it's a little hard to see. Push-button tail cap switch for one-handed operation. And again, I stress that that's what I like in this light. Once you put it in, once you turn it on, you could just toggle through high, medium, and low by depressing the switch halfway, and then clicking it all the way shuts it off. So really nice feature there on this light with the push button tail cap. You could operate it with one hand. It's made of durable aircraft grade aluminum with rhombic knurling. It does have some really good knurling here. Premium type 3 hard anodized and anti-abrasive finish. It's waterproof to IPX8 standard. underwater up to 2 meters. Again, this light, it does say in the directions that if it's on the high mode for longer than 3 minutes, it will revert back to medium mode because it does heat up. So if you wanted to click it back into high mode again, you'd have to cycle it on and off again, because it will revert back to medium mode. But again, guys, in these videos that I'm doing on these flashlights, these things, although small, like this Fenix LD02 and like the last one I did, they are very useful. You're more apt to carry this because it's light and fits in your pocket rather than a bigger flashlight, say even a 2 AAA or a 2 AA size. Comes in very handy, easy to take with you, easy to EDC it in a kit. And again, with 100 lumens, that's more than enough light for, you know, simple tasks. And in your tent at night on low mode, finding stuff, finding gear in your camper, whatever, in your van, this light will come in handy. Let me know what you think, guys. I like it a lot. I've been carrying it, the Fenix LD02 100 lumen flashlight. Take care, guys, and stay ready. Questions and comments, welcome.